I can't stress this enough. Ngihlezi ngisho lento kuma videos wami engijwayele ukwenza. Musa ukuxoxa indaba zakho zakwakho. Indaba zamkhwenyana wakho nomngani wakho. More especially lo oclose kakhulu naye. Keep your husband away from your friends. Keep your husband away from your friends. And more especially, I'm reiterating this, more especially lo mngani ozwana naye ngempela that you share everything with. You can share everything else, but don't share indaba zakwakho nomkhwenyana wakho with that friend. Khona story la ebesi kugagasi with unjebs. Shuthi kukhona usisi ofonayo emsakazweni uyachaza ukuthi ukhulelwe ingane yamkhwenyana kamngani wakhe, and she doesn't know what to do, etc. And then kanti kube ukuthi usisi uzoyizwa lento lo unkosikazi ayizwe lento abona ukuthi no man lesi story similar kakhulu kunesami kwenzakalani la, and then she sends unjebs a DM on TikTok bakhuluma, and then she ends up being on air, only to find ukuthi kade bekhulunywa ngaye. Useyakhuluma ke nomngani wakhe ukuthi hayibo ungayenza kanjani into enje, and then this lady athi she's heartbroken, she's distraught. Athi nje yazi nje Jess, I'm so hurt. She knows everything, she knew everything ngomshado wami. I told her everything, and ngisho ngaphathi ngithi ngathi first mistake. That is the first mistake. Uvulele amanzi ukuthi angene endlini. The first mistake. And then she says ukuthi and bear in mind Lan, she's not at fault njalo. Angisho ukuthi she's at fault njengoba kwenzeke lokho kwenzekile. Abantu aba at fault lana umngani wakhe, this so-called friend of hers, nomkhwenyane wakhe, naba abantu who at fault. But it goes back to lento yokuthi musa ukuxoxa izinto zakho zakwakho nomngani wakho. Umngani wakho akahlangene nento zakwakho ngoba buka manje bangcolile abangani. Abangani bangcole kabi. Buka manje. And then umngani ke athi no but sorry mnganami ngiyaxolisa umkhwenyane kodwa nje uhusband wakho nje who came on to me wena wase wangakwazi ukunqaba wena umthambo wokunqaba uvele uphele nje ma approach nje umkhwenyane your best friend's husband umthambo kano uvele uphele. The reason why evumile is because vele besezazi zonke indaba zabo. Na into emvumisile ukuthi waze zonke indaba zabo. Yikho ngisasho namanje ngithi musa uxoxa indaba zakho nomngani wakho oclose naye zakwakho. Hayi indaba zakho zasembedeni, hayi inkinga zenu zeimali, hayi ukuthi umkhwenyana wakho wenzeni nanani. She does not enter that chat. She does not nonxoxela ima wakho nomxoxele ubaba wakho something. Umngani wakho nje nango ke usekhulelwe manje, khulelwe shaya ngesitini umngani wakho macela. Hey bafethu
yaze yakhubana yatriggerishana yabhlungu indaba yakwi lift off kanjabs unjabs izwani indaba ya pretty nombali sewumbali kodwa indaba inobongeka phakathi. So if you didn't listen to I think part 1 ubuthunyelwe izolo, but umnikazi wendaba uyitholile. So just a summary, this person wrote into the radio, it's unesecurity. Umngani wakhe was going through a lot in her marriage, and then they asked umngani wakhe and her husband asked her to intervene to help them as a third party. And in the process of helping them, she ended up sleeping with her husband and got pregnant. And so she cut the friend off because she was obviously afraid of accountability and all of that. And she told the husband, and the husband was like, we are just rebuilding with my wife. This will throw us off. Don't keep the baby. And I don't know. If her husband would say, But her husband, he was just like, Asingamjeni, let's not ruin anything. If you care about us, you'll keep quiet. But okay, Uti, she felt bad. And here's my take. Mina guys, no, really, the truth shall set you free. But I honestly feel like it's really not about Uguti. Like, she's saying she sent this to the radio because, one, she wanted the friend to find out. So she knows that the friend listens to Ikakasi. So everything was intentional. For you to not want to hold accountable for your hoeing ways to your friend. Asingakhulumi guys ngo husband. Vele he's a whole umuntu vele bezolahla vele loyo. So it's out. But the biggest betrayal for me was the friend. Because umngani wakhe, the way this lady cried on radio, the betrayal. Like, she's upset about the guy, and we actually saw her husband. Great. But the biggest betrayal came from the friend because I told you everything, bro. I trusted you. I loved you. You're more than a friend. You became my sister. And you betrayed me. And you know what the worst part is? The worst part is for me when she says, I think, for me, this person was never umngani wakho wembali. She was never your friend because she wanted you to hurt. She wanted you to be humiliated. Like, like, people can hear, we know you. We know who you are. You wanted to humiliate your friend. Like, she wanted to humiliate her friend, guys. She wanted to humiliate her friend because there's no way. There is no fucking way. You know your friend listens to this radio show and on radio, national radio, the most public way you can. You're exactly like those people. It's a humiliation ritual because why are you not breaking up with this person? Why are you not telling your friend, friend, this is what happened? Why not write a letter? Move states, move provinces. But move provinces. How back? You decided to block your friend. You decided to ice her. Of course, she's gonna want to know what's going on. One, you have mutual friends who've seen you as pregnant, and you know now she knows that you're pregnant. Like, everything Oyanzile was just to abuse and hurt your friend, and you're wanting to hurt her now. Is because the husband rejected you. You wanting to hurt your friend is because the husband rejects you, because there's no way. And no one can convince me. No one can convince me otherwise because it does not make logical sense. You are here to help them. But then, not once, not twice, not like maybe 5 times. There was no need for you to be that specific, my sister. You wanted to hurt your friend, DJ. Period. Blank point, period. You could even hear with radio, guys. Like, for me, she didn't even sound sad. She's like, I'm sorry. Yes, sir. But my friend, Umen's slim. I feel sick, man. Hi, banda. Shame. These are the friends that our grandmothers and our parents warned us about. People that are in your life. I pray may we never have such friends. People that secretly pray for your downfall. People that secretly want your relationship. This girl's in a relationship. It wasn't enough. It wasn't enough. You know her deepest, darkest secrets. It wasn't enough. And I'm sure you are pillow talking about in but because you were jealous that this man wants to fight for his marriage and wants to make things work with his wife. You decided to sleep with him. And awusamtsheni-ke awunaso isibindi sokuthi ngoba ngaba nesibindi sokuthi vula imilenze awusenaso isibindi sokuthi uhambe uyomface-ke uface ama-consequences of your actions, you know. Woman up. You had the balls to do what you did. You should be able to stand for it. but you couldn't. So you went on radio. You wanted to humiliate her. You wanted to do it in the biggest capacity. I go bomsaba. Bufuna ukuthi azobhlungu, ahlambalazeke, aphoxeke, ngisho nomendo wakhe lo bebethi bazama ukulungisa kuphele. I shame. Small hell for people like you.
Uyabona lento ehlezi isho abantu abadala bethi umngani ungamxoxeli yonke into whether kumbi noma kumnandi. Futhi ayikho lento ekuthiwa umngani. Baqinisini. Ngiphuma lapha khethile kuNjebs Zwane uGagas. Niyasikhumbula uAnonymous wa last week ukuthi wayibhalela uNjebs ukuthi hayi Njebs nginenkinga la umngani wami ubexabele nomyeni wakhe behlukene should bebesa separated bengadivorcini. Umyeni kamngani nami abeseza kumina ukuthi reach out kumina ukuthi sixoxe ukuthi how to fix into zabo benomngani wami. Baxoxa ke ukuxoxa kwabo ugcine kuseku sekufike ekamereni angazi kanjani ke. Okay, emxoxweni wabo ke loyo I think kubo 5 months noma 3 months kodwa kwenzeke kawu yabo kawu 5. Okay, naku ke ngala sekuyalunga umngani lo bexabe nomyeni seziyalunga izinto zabo zilunga nje lo ngala usekhulelwe nje athi mayitshela indoda ukuthi listen I'm pregnant. Ithi indoda uma kuukuthi uyangikhathalela mina nomngani wakho uzongamvezi leyo ngane ukuthi yaba vele umngani unendoda yakhe. Uyabona abantu abadala basuke beqinisile mabethi iba nabangani abasezingeni lento okuyona. As much as uthi nala abashadile bayawudlala lo mdlalo kodwa ikakhulukazi oshadile ujwayele ukugilwa yilo ngashadile. Asikho ke lapho. Nanokuthi ke yini eyenza ukuthi umngani wakhe axoxe nendoda yakho? Isho ngathi befunda ndawonye. Abasafundi ndawonye. Babesebenza ndawonye, abasasebenzi ndawonye. Yini ebaxoxisayo? Okay. Usisi utheme bona ivideo kaNjebs. Ngoba guys ngihleze ngisho ukuthi emavidweni awu 10 million uyayibona ekhuluma ngawe. Kuma comments angisho noma ngathiwa mangaka uyayibona icomment ebheke kuwena uthi yabona le yami ke le nginguCinderella la and isicathulo siyangifitha khaxa. Simfithe kwisicathulo awatha a DM uNjebs khona ku TikTok uthi Njebs yazi ukuthi lento ngiqeda ukubona ivideo and lama similarities makhulu kakhulu akwazi ngayi coincident. Ngicela ungitshela igama la Anonymous anqabe kuNjebs athi angeke ngikwazi amncenga usisi uNjebs ke namhlanje abafonele ke boba u2 aqale kusisi aqale ngomgilwa achaze ukuthi no bekwenze ukuthi nokuthi nginomngani wami nje ebengitreata nje osefana nosisi kumina ebengimtshela yonke into ngomshado wami njengamanje uvele nje waphela emehlweni ungayisile. So mase ngilalela la ngiqhathanisa naye no man i-math is mathing yabo is mathing. Amfonela uNjebs afonela umngani lo munye. Hi uyaphila amqamba igama uthe uPretty ya amqamba igama athi nanga umngani wakho ufuna ukukhuluma something. Athi meqala ukukhuluma a pick up usingala uthi hayibo uyena nje ufruza lona abese yasho ukuthi hi abesethi umngani umgilwa athi ngicela ukuzwa ngawe ukhulelwe ingane kaMalusi yini noma uMelusi into njalo. Athi lona athi unongoloza athi I'm afraid yes mngani wakhala lo wasisi wakhala lo wasisi and unongoloza akaliboni iphutha akakhalanga lo wasisi akakhombisa kuyisola and kunento kufanele siyipick up manje ukuthi as much as sihlezi sibona abantu abesilisa abama narcissist bakhona nama-friends ama-narcissist. Lo wasisi loya ungazi ukuthi victim uyena. Yabona esethi no mngani uyena umyeni wakho ze kumina. Uyazi ukuthi umuntu wesifazane uyena ophatha ukhiye. Ukhiye wawuphethe uyena. Ngenkathi iqala indoda ikhuluma iphethe ubunja bayo kwakufanele ayiblock same time noma ayichaze listen uyazi ukuthi nginendoda yami and wena uyindoda yomngani wami so phuma kumina otherwise ngizomtshela umngani ukuthi wenzani yayingeke isaqhubeka pho nina ama friends afuna impilo zenu cause enye into ke futhi ke nihleze nisho back to sender la indoda manje ngayifuni niyasiqomfa ninisiso yini yenza usisa ngasiqomfi yini yenza usisa ngaphuza ama morning after yini yenza usisa ngafaka uplastic yini yenza ukuthi usisi prevent ngoba phela ke inkanuko kisimhlulile ke yini ebiyenza ukuthi ke angafuni ukuthi ake le mdlalo esudlalayo uphelele phakathi kwethu wamitha wasigcinisa and sibadala kabi nje uthi ungangitshela ukuthi ungamitha wena kuphela u2 months ungeze ukuthi umitha wayezwa kahle ukuthi umitha futhi wayazi ukuthi ingane yabani hawe ma uthi I'm sorry sithanda yey yo wakhala lo asisi izinto enzenza abangani benu uyabona kancane kuzomela ukuthi sigcine siadmithile ukuthi yabo lento yama close friends hayi ngeke guys no noma ngathiwa kuyamgcina ku close friend loyo kodwa manje inkinga uzogcina uphahlukile nje uzohlala kanjani nomuntu ungamtsheli uzogcina uphahlukile hey hambani nani ngale kunjebs nizoyibonela.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. People are reacting to the story salapha kuGagasi FM ngalesikani mantombatane lamabili kunenzaba la ukuthi one of them umusiswe indoda yemngane and she's currently 6 months pregnant and it's just a shocking story it's just a shocking story yakhombisa ukuthi bangani banqoli kangakanani. Imagine sleeping ne-husband yemngane wakho uma uqeda ukuthi i-husband ngiyolete kuwe teki mngane wami I'm so sorry sithando sami like what uzothi my friend ubukhohlakela ungqolile ulele nendoda yemngane wakhe. People are saying ukuthi indzaba kahle kahle bangani bekuyinto lima bantu bekumele bayishiye nje primary imngani nje umshiye primary lento ukuthi ushadile unendoda wena unelekhaya you still have friends into lenta ukuthi bantu ma relationships abahambi kahle mshado wabichitheke because bangani ngibo labantu hamba phansi thinking ukuthi someone is your friend and that person ukhalela impilo yakho ufuna impilo yakho ufuna indoda yakho ufuna life yakho so people are just saying ukuthi hey guys iphumani ebantwini leni babita ngebangani. Do comment your thoughts when down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.